Minutes. Still hanging out. Let's try the broadcast a couple minutes early, so we're just going to wait one more minute and then we'll get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have 12 issues this week, and wait, there are on-prem builder issues. Hold on a second. Let's go these for now. Just want to see about getting Salim in here for me, please. All right, so this is issue open talking about confusing demotion behavior, demoting a package. Still leaves running for a service. So if you go into the depot, demote a package, that service still runs the package that was demoted and does not downgrade. I think this probably needs some deeper conversation around how that should be labeled or worded, given I think historically Habitat's not generally we've advocated for rolling forward versus rolling backwards.
Yeah, this seems like something we should probably talk about some more. I don't think this is the first time this has come up either. We'll have asked for this before.
Should I put this to the backlog and we can discuss more internally and with our community? This is, I'm just gonna put this backlog, but this is really just a heads up that we might be updating our handlebar syntax. The version that we currently ship supports a couple different syntaxes, and if you are using the older syntax highlighted here, we would like you to upgrade to the new syntax. In the off chance that you have not upgraded your syntax, by the time we upgrade our handlebars library, you'll have an issue when your service is running. I don't have a specific version yet that will be releasing with the new handlebars library. So this is...
It looks like Predominant has already triaged this a little bit. I'm in agreement. This is a thing that we would support, but it's definitely a help wanted sort of looking for contributions. It'd be a great way for someone to get started on core plans.
Do we generally leave these in the backlog then? Or
yeah, we should put this into the backlog.
And this is our release, which actually we ran into some internal issues on how we were doing the release and are waiting a fix that allows us to continue. So I believe this release is going to be canceled and we will reschedule. Should I go ahead and let John close this issue or? Just go ahead and close it. Okay.
Yeah, I guess if we're aborting the release, we'll probably close it for now and either make a new issue or reopen it when the release like recommences.
Yep. The link to the issue that causes an issue, Scott?
Yes, it is. 1 second.
Yeah, send me a link and I'll put that in here.
I just had it. There it is. I will. Do you have ready access to Slack, David?
Yes.
I will add you in this message then.
Thank you. We'll reopen this if we get to fix that today. Scott, hey, possible re-release, a release improvement, re-release off prior tag. What's the backlog? Were you gonna say something, Josh?
I was just going to say, yeah, pretty much any issue opened by a member of our team should go.
Specification. Oh, this is Scott, your issue.
Yep. I forgot to move it to the backlog. Sorry about that.
No problem. What is going on here? Why don't I have any controls? Weird. I'm confused. Anyway, health check is returned for unloaded service.
Yeah, this looks like something we'd want to investigate further.
Okay. Does this seem related to the healthy services epic we have?
Maybe. I haven't looked at that epic closely in a while.
Okay. I'll make a note. We can take a look. Let's see, what was that? 6346. I forgot to look at the tags too. I'll take a look at that in a second. Lifecycle. Did like my browser get messed up? What's going on here? All right. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. All right. Lifecycle hooks removed from a package or not removed from service directory. package is updated and one of its lifecycle hooks are removed as part of the change. The supervisor does not remove the hook from the service directory. Don't know. Let's see. Vendor. So this is getting reopened after a revert.
Yeah, that's probably why it probably reset the pipeline.
All right. And now we have 4 issues for on-prem builder. Sync script should have a dry run mode to tell us what got changed.
Mm-hmm. That's a really good idea, but I think the dry run might take a while, but I think it'd probably not be too difficult to add.
Shall I leave the list needs discussion so we can talk with internally, or?
Well, I mean, it seems straightforward, right?
Okay.
And what the discussion would involve. I think the main thing is just having it on the priority list for somebody to pick up.
Sign up here takes you to GitHub when auth is configured for Chef Automate. That seems like a bug.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. We should fix that.
PW file keeps getting destroyed on hab sub restart.
Yeah, this is an interesting one. I actually had noticed it, but I hadn't gone to the bottom of what was happening here. But it looks like we're recreating the entire config directory on supervisor start, which definitely is going to cause issues, not just in on-prem but also in our dev environment. So this is probably an urgent one to fix. Maybe mark it a P1 or something.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'll take a look at that. Oh, I don't think we're the same. I don't think I have an on-prem V1. Okay. Oops, forgot to put backlog. And can we get on-prem stable updated?
Yeah, I just did, I think last week. So I think this one should be resolved.
You want to confirm that?
Yeah, let me take a quick look.
Okay.
Oh, API proxy. Maybe the proxy didn't. Let me double check that. Although I think I had got both of them.
All right. I just put a note on there for you to confirm, and we'll just leave it in triage until we know for sure.
I'll close it. 1 second.
Okay. I haven't closed it yet.
Oh, no, API proxy is still from February, so I'll promote that one.
Okay.
We should do that.
All right. Open issues are PRs with no assignee. This is our internal one. I think that should be fine. This is a change to add our welcome messages when PRs are open.
Yeah, I need to fix a CI failure there. You can assign me if you want to.
Okay. And removing some license code. So it looks like the build failed, and then it wasn't clear what was going on. Our butterfly test and rest format. There's another PR opened for the same thing. So it seems like this issue we should just go ahead and close and say the other issue is going to be, or should we close it when you get the other issue merged? Thoughts there?
Are they one-to-one changes? I know that one's got 200. That's a lot of files changed in one go. Historically, I think we tend to, if there is a duplicate, we sorry, I just lost my train of thought. We close the second one in favor of the first with a note of that it's a duplicate. But if without validating that they are one-to-one changes, or that they're all touching the same files. Excuse me.
All right. I'll coordinate with John. Looks like he has context here, and we'll figure out which one we should favor. And we'll get the one closed. Migrate OSX build system. Should go ahead and get this one, Scott Hain, and
This is an internal open issue. It should not be in public triage. Oh, sorry.
It's just that, yeah, these are just PRs that are unassigned.
Okay.
I'm fine leaving them unassigned if they're internal. All right, so we have a issue on this Windows machine with referencing the hab cache keys directory. What's this? Okay. I think given this Windows issue, I'll probably send it to Matt Rock to look at as well. If anyone's familiar with this issue where if you forget to put the if you don't have that path on your system in Windows, it just explodes and doesn't give you a good error message on why. All right. Moving on to something. On Builder, looks like internal and internal. It's whipped. So I don't think there's anything there for us. As for core plans, Scott, is there anything that we need to get here?
No, I don't think so. We're having a discussion around how we test, working with Stocksy and Gavin to write up what their approach is, and we're going to open an issue for that probably tomorrow, since it's past the end of the day for them.
Okay. And finally, core, and those look like they're assigned. So I think that's all we have for triage today. Anything else we need to look at before we leave? All right. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you around.